Chantel with Tully's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. Today we are doing the Sweet Lemon Grove transfer. It is our Club Couture transfer for this month. If you join Club Couture, you can get it. Or if you become a designer, you can get it as well. But it is only for designers and Club Couture members. Like and follow my business page. Check out my VIP group, Tully's Talking Chalk VIP. You can also find me on Instagram and YouTube. Let me just get this shared out so that I can get some viewers. Today is my 2nd year anniversary with the company, which is awesome. So I hope you come and join me as we do this. And oh, now it's gonna be like that. Okay, so we're not gonna share it right now because it doesn't like me. The share button is different today. So let's get this on the road. I have to hurry, unfortunately, because I have a meeting at 5:30. So I should have came early, but I didn't. When you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Again, we do need to fuzz this, so I'm just going to take a second to fuzz it. Oh, I should cut it first. What is everybody up to today? Let me know where you're coming in from. We are only going to be doing the main part right now, so I can get this done pretty quick. And then if we want, we can put the other parts on somewhere else. Always fun when you're trying to put this through, but you don't want to put it too far through. Hello. There we go. How are you doing today? If I'm not seeing your comments, it's because you need to like and follow my business page. I'm just going to put this down on my leg. Get up a little bit of the lint. Whatever lint is on jeans, really, though. But just take down some of the stickiness. We're going to want to do that a couple of times because these are reusable 8 to 12 times, which means they are really, really sticky. And if they stick on the board too hard, they're going to stretch and ruin the design. And it can also bring up the paste, especially if it dries in the transfer. So, let's hope that that was good. I did it about 3 or 4 times. It is still super sticky. I'm going to roughly get this in the middle. Can you flip the sides for me? Can you flip the cameras for me?
I did.
Okay, I just haven't been able to see it yet. Okay. There we go. That's about right. Alright. So we have our 4 colors. We have Daffodil, Bumblebee, this is Eucalyptus, and Meadow. So we're going to use the yellow Bumblebee. Ooh, it is quite dry, so we might not be. Oh, no, we're good. It's just a little more. So what I'm going to do, because this is a little drier than it's supposed to, is I'm going to pull it up right after chalking it, just to make sure it doesn't dry in the transfer. I'm trying to make sure that I'm getting all the spots. How's everybody doing today? What is new and exciting? So I'm just going to pick it up. Oh, this is nice. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to pick it up, and then all I'm going to do is let it dry for a second. And I'm going to lay it back down, pushing down where the transfer is not already chalked. Now, we do have ink as well. Restocks actually just happened at 5 o'clock when I started. And so you can go get yourself some ink. Now, ink has to be heat set. That is the only thing for it to be permanent. Oh, my green is even worse than my yellow. And there's less of it. Alright. So, I'm going to see how this goes. There we go. And a little goes a long way, so that's not so bad. I just had to make sure I had enough. How's everybody doing today? Not seeing comments. If you're there, say hi so I know my comments are working. I'm Shanta with Telly's Talking Chalk. I'm a chalkboard designer. Like and follow my business page, Telly's Talking Chalk. You can check out my business page, Telly's Talking Chalk, VIP, Telly's, yeah. And check out my website, tellystalkingchalk.ca. Follow me on Instagram and YouTube as well. Actually, I think I'm going to go back to the yellow. Do the grove. Oops. So it's this easy to apply. You just go straight through, and it being on the transfer is not going to hurt it. You can wash it off with water, and we do have board erasers as well to help, and they work wonders. I couldn't believe how quick they help you get the stuff off. And you can get it off the transfer, or if you wanted to use the same surface, you could, and just use it to get the paste off of the surface as well. Now, you would only be able to do that with paste, not the ink. As I said, the ink is permanent, but you can. Now I think what I'm going to do... Oh, how does that always happen and I never see it? Yes, got to make sure that you firmly get all of your bottoms. I always end up missing some part of a letter. Here we go. Yeah, I think I'm good now. You know what? I'm going to go, and I'm only going to use 3 colors. I thought I was going to use 4. I'm going to use the eucalyptus and do the rest. This has been opened, but we keep these lids for packaging so that it stays nice and creamy, because this is our creamy dreamy and we want it to stay that way. The other pastes that I've just used are not our creamy dreamy, unfortunately, but all of the stuff that you would be ordering nowadays is all our creamy dreamy paste, and it is awesome to work with. Why does that look like there's white on it? And that was a weird squeak in my throat. How's everybody doing today? Where are you all coming in from? Hey Ryan, how are you? I'm trying to beat the clock. I can only stay here till like 25 after at most. I have to be in a meeting at 5:30. So, we're doing up this one quick. But it is actually just really quick to do most of these projects anyway. Unless you really want to take a lot of time in coloring and... yeah. If every letter you want to do is a different color, that could take a while, but... for a nice, simple project, even if you want to give this out as like a gift for somebody, you could. We have all different kinds of transfers and surfaces depending on the occasion you want. I hope so. I'm letting some of it dry, and then which is just making me a little paranoid, but alright. I think we're good. Wish me luck. Again, we're going to pull this up. I'm not going to pull it from the sides. I'm going to pull it from the middle so that it doesn't stretch. Pull it evenly. And there is our finished project. And there's my thing on the floor. Isn't that super sweet? I know the green on the leaves kind of messed up a little bit, but it's actually not bad. Alright, so that is all I have for you today. I will be back tomorrow at 5 o'clock again, and I won't have to be so rushed. Hopefully. And I will see you then. Bye, guys.